Volume of prisms. A prism is a solid which has identical ends. For example, look at the rectangular prism below. We can see that the ends here are identical. A rectangular prism is an interesting one because if we'd taken the top as the end, the bottom would be the same and so on. But that's not the case with most prisms, just rectangular ones. We just have to identify one end that's the same. Some other examples of prisms are shown below. So we have a pentagonal prism here, and we can see that the end here is the same as the end over here, and with the hexagonal prism we can also see that this end is the same as that end. Notice all of the sides are made up of rectangles in this particular set of shapes. The end which is the same, so this rectangle here, the pentagon here, the hexagon here, is often called the cross-section of the shape. We can calculate the volume of a prism using the formula: the volume is the cross-sectional area times the length. We know that's consistent with what we've discussed about rectangular prisms in an earlier example, in that to work out this end we'd have done the width multiplied by the height, and then if we multiply that by the length we get length times width times height, so that works for the rectangular prism. For other shapes, if we know the area of the cross section, we then multiply by the length and we get the volume.